Okay, apparently I'm recording. Hi everybody. I'm not really good at this video blogging stuff, but I figured I'd start because, well, I guess it's kind of fun, and I get to talk about whatever I want to talk about, and then you guys get to actually know me, like my voice, and who I am, and what I do, and what I like, and stuff like that. As you can see, there's that way, messy room over here, and that bedroom isn't mine, and lots of fun stuff. I'm not wearing makeup. It's pretty cool. I also got my leopard print shirt, and then my yellow. Contrasting colors are awesome. And I've been doing a lot of sculpting recently. I have a turtle right here. You can barely see him because of the quality of the video. There he is. He's pretty cute. Turtle. But yeah, I'm doing lots of sculpting and Pokemon. Pokemon is cool. And I guess just shoot me things to talk about and give me some ideas and fun stuff. There can't be any naughty things or anything like that because I don't really have the space to do it, as you can see, because I have a desktop, monitor, fun stuff. See? It's supposed to be, ooh, look, it's a paradox. There's my laptop, actually, but the monitor is hooked up to the laptop, so fun stuff. Yeah, my screen broke, so. But yeah, maybe next time I'll actually have makeup and stuff like that, but I was bored and I had been taking pictures of myself with my webcam, and I figured I might as well. And I hope you guys can hear me because I'm not talking very loud because my son is asleep in the next room, and I don't want to talk too loud. But yeah, send me questions if this is on Tumblr, and basically suggestions, and then comment if it's on YouTube, and fun stuff, I guess. Yeah, awkward goodbyes. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.